Hello YouTube. Alright, this may be a shocker to you, but somebody else posted a video showing that they had 1600 round ammo cans of CCI mini mags, 22 long rifle, and so I decided to do a Google search, and what do you know? CCI 1600 round mini mag ammo can, 22 long rifle for $104. Now, it just comes up and it shows out of stock online. Okay, well, if it's out of stock online, it's $104. That's not a bad price for 1600 rounds, really. I guess of CCI mini mag. I mean, it's not the greatest price in the world, but there it is. You can't really see a UPC code on it or anything, but I just did a Google search for it and found it. So I opened up my in Google Chrome, I forget what you call this thing, but it's basically like an HTML search tool, and I hit the little magnifying glass to inspect an element, and I come over here and onto out of stock online. It shows up out of stock online. I click on one of those things, unlock it. On this guy here, unlock it. Oh my god, and then it shows up in stock for out of stock online. Okay, next one, click it, nothing shows up there. Let me see what else I got freaking blocked here. Item inventory status. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, coming soon. What's next? Pre-order now. Pre-order sold out. What the heck is going on here? Oh wow. You know, it's crazy. This is crazy what they're doing online here. What's this? Oh, this is blocked. Whatever it was. Item is being discontinued. Availability is limited. They keep blocking everything on the website. Absolutely everything. These web designers, web coders I should say, HTML coders, trying to get something to pop up here. Item is being discontinued. Availability is limited. Well, there you have it. $104. CCI Mini Mag 1600 round cans. I've never seen this before, but I just unlocked all of this right here. Whatever that is. So yeah, in stock, out of stock online, coming soon. Pre-order now. Pre-order sold out. This item is being discontinued. Availability is limited. $104 for 1600 rounds of CCI mini mag. Well, you can get about, you can get 1600 rounds of Federal or Winchester for $75, so it's not really that great a deal. Unless if you're looking to get the CCI mini mags. I mean, I guess it's kind of worth it. The extra $25 for an ammo can, not really, since it's plastic. But wow, there you go.